Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. I'm doing another unboxing. I have a few packages. I'll see how many I can open, and there's a few silver, and we might find some gold as well. So let's see. I bought these packages, some of them a while back ago in March, right before everything started. First one is from Bold. And as I said, it should be some gold here somewhere. It might be this one. Let's see. Yep, I think this is the first gold for my stack. First edition, so I'm kind of excited about it. I wanna see how it looks. It's not in a capsule, which is kind of sad, but I'll try to get one for it. I thought it would come in a capsule, but I guess not. It's okay. This was when all started, and I got it at a very good deal. Very good deal. This is it. It's a 1/10 ounce gold silver eagle. This is very nice. This is my first gold that I bought, and I started to buy when, as I said, all this started, and prices kind of went down and then up again, but you could not find anything, and the premiums actually stayed very high. So very nice. 220. See if you can see there. 220. That's awesome. This is the first one, so this is my first gold stack. Let's see, I have a big one here. Let's see what's in this one. This one might have some silver. Let's see. Or maybe not. This might be the second gold I got. It's very well packaged, and this one came in a capsule. Oof. And this is another silver eagle, which is beautiful. 1/10, and this one I got it from a dealer online. I got this one at even better price than the other one, and this one came in a capsule as well. 220 as well, another 10. So I got these 2 coins. For this one I paid, let me tell you, I'll tell you the price on this one because it was such a good deal. $163, and this was, as I said right before everything started, so very nice deal on this one. Very nice. The other one was a little bit more money, but still a very good deal as well. So I'm gonna take this out, and let's open one more. This one. So I think this one is from APMEX. So let's see. As you guys know, APMEX seals this very well, so I'm gonna open it outside the camera. Ooh. This is awesome, and this was my third purchase of gold. another 10th ounce, and this is from the South Korea series, Republic of Korea, Chemco 1/10. Again, I got this at a very good deal as well. Got it from AppMax. Found it at an offer. So this is very nice. Very, very nice coin. I'm so happy with these. Are my the first 3 gold purchases I have, and I bought all of this when all this started. That was going on now. This one was a good price, but was a little bit more. Actually, no, this one was a very good price as well. About the same price as the one that I paid here. So very nice. This one was the most expensive one, but still at a good price. Awesome. I think that's it for now, and I have a few other packages, but since I've opened all the gold, I'm gonna keep the gold and keep the other packages for another unboxing. Again, I hope you enjoy it. These are my gold purchases. I'm so happy with them. I need to get a capsule for this one. But okay, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for another video soon. Thank you.